Hello fellow YouTubers. Yeah. Got my tools in there. Got my screwdrivers and a wrench and my 2 spark plugs there. And this little socket gadget. Fits in there, and this fits on top of there with that little strap. Anyway, I ordered this from Amazon. Paid about 20 bucks. Works. Took a while. I had to shave around it with a razor blade, and got it in. And I also used mothers on the headlights. You've probably seen how yellow they used to look. Now they're nice and clear. So, remember that Hurricane Beryl that hit down in the States and all that? So, hit Jamaica. Well, it hit us yesterday, the remnants of it, and you can see the water line right up here. The water line's right there. This was flooded all over here. That was submerged in water. I'll put pictures of it, and I'll have a small video of all the rain that we got yesterday. Well, there was a lot of flooding here in Nova Scotia. You won't believe. Yeah, hit everywhere. We got washed out roads and everything else, but it was a fun day, and the water receded quick. Sunk in the ground. That all there was over there was all flooded. Ran over there. That ditch was completely flooded. You see the trail it made right there. Water's running through there, up through there, up through there by the truck, all the road, run across the road. I'll show you a video of that. But it was a fun day yesterday. Rain was warm, but you can see the carnage of all the water residue on top of this. And see how high the water is on the wheels. Right up to here. And right up to here. Yeah, we had a lot of water come in last night. No, not yesterday. So, the reason I'm out of breath, it's hot, humid. Took a while to get that off. Get this out. Here's the old one. Here's the package. And here's the old one. What's left of it? Top broke off. So it must have been the original. But now I got that one in. And I'm reading about a little under half a tank. So it's working. And it still works like a charm. No leaks for the oil or anything. The oil on this thing is still staying up. Haven't been to the tracks yet, but I will be someday. I don't know. But anyway, and I had to move the license plate there because I had to put the toolbox connection there, and all the lights work. So, I know I'm still out of breath, but she works like a charm. I'm glad. And I might get a winch for it, I'm not sure, but the winch has to be on the outside, right here. Don't get this. Well, anyway, I might get one, I'm not sure if I am or not. So, that's about it. I'm going to wrap it up. And, toodaloo. And that's how it looks. Put it on there. So, it'll work. Well, it's raining. Now you can see it, but that's just how much water I'm walking in. Good 4 inches of water here. The lawnmower is almost water buried by water. And it's just corn.